Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Welcome to the Learner Insights, your ultimate destination for education, motivation, and personal growth. We believe learning isn't just an activity, it's a lifestyle. Every single day brings an opportunity to evolve and elevate your life. At the Learner Insights, our mission is simple: educate, motivate, and elevate you. We've got you covered, whether you're seeking to expand your knowledge with study tips and career growth strategies, or just need that spark to stay motivated. Motivation isn't just about inspiration, it's about action. Let us help you push through challenges and transform your mindset. We're also here to help you build a balanced life, aligning with your deepest values: mindfulness, health, and productivity. Personal growth is the most exciting journey, and you can achieve your goals step by step by subscribing. You're not just joining a channel, you're becoming part of a community dedicated to lifelong learning and transformation. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the Learner Insights and begin your journey of growth today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our community.